something about you. Got me feeling like I can't be without you. Anytime someone mention your name, I be feeling as if I'm around you. Ain't no words to describe you, baby. All I know is that you take me high. Can you tell that you drive me crazy?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a living room clean with me. It's downstairs in the back of the home, and it's a relatively easy spot or place to clean, so it's not going to take me very long. I don't have that much furniture and stuff there. So what I would like to start off doing is to take the vacuum and vacuum the couch, underneath the cushions, in between each section of the couch, to make sure that we're getting all the lint, all the little particles of food if we ate there. Just make sure it's nice and clean for the next use. I don't do this every time I clean, but I do it every other time. Here I'm using a lemon scented disinfectant spray. I ran out of my Febreze Unstoppables for the fabric, so I use that instead. It still makes the house smell nice and fresh and clean. Keeps the fabric on the couch nice and fresh as well. Of course, I'm going to sweep the floor in between each section of the couch. Make sure nothing's hiding underneath the couch. If you're deep cleaning or trying to make sure your place is nice and neat and clean all the time, make sure you move things out of the way. Do not sweep around them if you want to make sure your home is thoroughly clean. As you can see, we have a lot of bare walls still, so we won't have enough. In the future, we will be able to really buy nice furniture. Windex multi-surface cleaner to clean off the glass coffee table. I will be using Pledge multi-surface cleaner to clean the bottom of the coffee table and also the TV stand as well. If there's a lot of dust on your furniture, I recommend using a duster, like the one that captures the dust, little fluffy things, and then using the Pledge when you're done to help prevent dust from sticking on it. That duo really works very well. I didn't have much dust today, so this is mostly just polishing it to make sure it looks nice and shiny and clean. And like I said, make sure to move things up and out of the way so you're cleaning beneath it, on top of it, and around it. Because it's a multi-surface cleaner, I felt safe using it on our electronics, using it on the furniture, and using it to clean out the TV screen as well. It didn't leave any type of residue or anything, and I made sure to use only a light amount to make sure, I'm getting it clean, but I'm, not using a saturation of product. This is actually, the space that I'm in right now is actually our dining room. We don't have any furniture yet, but we will in the future. Now this is just an empty spray bottle that I mixed my own concoction. It's 3 parts water and 1 part lemon cleaner for the floor. Kind of like lemon pine salt, actually, if I want to be more specific. So mostly water and then that, because if you use too much of the product and not enough water, it's going to leave a sticky residue. And I've been there and done that, and I'm learning as I go to add more water to the mixture. But it makes your home smell amazing. What I definitely want to invest in is a steam mop, which I will be getting soon for our hardwood floors. That's pretty much it, guys. Quick, easy, simple, to the point. This area is not, it's huge, but it doesn't have a lot of things, taking up the space. So it's mainly just cleaning the floors and wiping down the couches. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't liked yet, please like this video, comment below. I'd like to interact with you, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will be posting videos 1 to 2 times a week. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
let it.